Okay, I'm going to show you now how to create or how to use an assignment in Moodle that has a Poodll whiteboard on there that the student can annotate. So let's go to the assignment that I've prepared, which is here in the Poodle Media Audio and Video Recording section on the Poodle demo site. We've got the whiteboard annotation assignment. Now we're logged in as both a teacher and a student at this time. That's why we can see the teacher area and also the student area. But the student will click on the Add Submission button, and it's a normal assignment at this point. But in this area here, we have the Poodle whiteboard, which is part of the online Poodle assignment submission type, and the student can annotate over this picture. The instructions are here in this audio file, so let's listen to the instructions.
From the police station, go straight along Long Avenue. Turn right at the video store. Turn left at the grocery store. Your destination is the second shop on the right. Write your name on that shop.
Okay, so let's follow those instructions. We're going to go from the police station to Long Avenue. We are annotating, and we're going to go from right at the video store and then turn left at the grocery store, and we're going to go to the second shop on the right, which is the drugstore. Now each time we release the mouse, we create a point, so I can actually use the back, undo my steps, or I can go back and redo those steps. So here's our destination, and the next thing we're told to do is to write our name on this shop. So we use the text tool here, we click on the drugstore and we type in our name, which in this case is Justin, and that's done. Okay, so that's been saved now, uploaded successfully. We just need to save the assignment itself, the submission. That'll go into the student submission area. The teacher can grade that as they would a normal assignment in Moodle. Okay, so how did we create that activity? So let's go and have a look at the settings. So the instructions that we made were using the Poodle text-to-speech widget here. So we just typed the instructions and chose a voice, and then that was made for us. But the real point here is the whiteboard. So we chose the online Poodle assignment submission type, and then from the recorder type we chose whiteboard. And then in the whiteboard back area we dragged an image, in this case map.jpg, and that's the image that the students are going to annotate over the top of. And we chose a whiteboard size, so you want to match the whiteboard size with the image size, or it'll stretch a little bit in either direction. And that's basically all there is to it. It's a fairly good activity. It's a bit old, so works better on desktops and large screens and small screens, but hopefully it's something that you can use.
Poodle, empowering teachers and transforming language learning. Get started today.